Hello everyone, welcome to Auto Magnet's channel again. And sometimes it happens when you drive. You just put your purse on the passenger seat, or you may put other car carry-on items on the passenger seat randomly too, and makes your passenger seat messy or even chaos. Sometimes you need to use a car brake and everything on the seat can be fallen off to the floor. It brings so much inconvenience or even danger. But how can you put them in the right place and make sure you have a safe driving? So I'm gonna show you a very useful item in the car. So it's called car handbag holder, like this. And it's made of quality leather and with beautiful design of grids. When you touch it, you feel so comfortable. It's with ample space here. This one, the purse holder, doesn't take up space in your car, but creates extra storage for your stuff. You can put your purse into it and stays here safely. And even you can put other stuff like this dressing box and the stuff and tissue paper or other small stuff into it. You see, it has a lot of space to use, and it with a stretch belt is easy to fix on the passenger and the driver's seat. And here there is a belt. It's easy to put under the bottom of the armrest box. But pay attention to this. If some cars do not have an open armrest box, please do not use it. And this car handbag holder can be a special barrier and prevents your pets or your children in the back seat from disturbing you when you drive. And also this is very close to you. If you need to use some stuff from the pocket, it's easy to reach without taking your eye off the road. So it makes sure you can drive very safely. It's very easy to install. You just need to fix this on the passenger and the driver's seat. We'll spend some minutes in the car and show you how to install it and how it will look like. Okay, now we're in the car. We're going to show you how you will install it and have it in your car. And first, open the front open armrest and insert this. Okay, and then you fix. Okay, buckle up. And this side, sorry. Buckle up. Okay, adjust it. You will see it will not block the wind exit and looks perfect. Hope you like my introduction. Thank you very much for watching. And if you like it and find my introduction interesting and useful, helpful, please give us a like and follow and subscribe our channel, and you will learn more about our products. Thank you.